Welcome to the Social Media Makeover hosted by The Wild Lane. We are giving one special winner the opportunity of a lifetime. We're gonna take over your social media and help you grow. This package will include monthly video shoots, monthly photo shoots, custom graphics, a minimum of 45 posts, all written for you. We're gonna post them for you. We're gonna interact with your community and help you build and engage. Oh, I forgot to mention, it also includes ad campaign management. We're gonna run ads to help you get more consults, to help you sell more products, or whatever it is that you aim to do. Again, once in a lifetime opportunity. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because the only reason we're here is because of small businesses and businesses like you. And it's our time to give back. So we're giving one special winner the social media maintenance package of a lifetime. Be sure to enter the contest, and we can't wait to see you at your video shoot.